Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Subin Sajan here. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel for the more videos. So as you can see, this is a new package from Amazon. This is the new Logitech G335 headset. I ordered this on Amazon. This is the condition it came with. Someone tried to open. I don't know what happened here. I haven't opened it. It took around 7 days to reach me. I ordered this on Prime sale day, so I think it was rush. Anyway. I booked one trimmer also, so it came in one packages. So there is nothing else, only the invoice. Invoice is within the sticker. I heard some sellers are sending invoices like this in order to stop the return and refund. If you want the invoice, you can always get that in the store, Amazon store, and you can download it. See, this is my new gaming headset. See the condition. The packaging is good. The seal is not broken. Everything is new. Reversible stop adjust straps, soft memory foot, adjustable earphone volume, flip to mute mic. It comes with. This is the new Logitech G335 headset. So if you want to see the Philips unboxing also, I will just post it in the end of the video. At the end of the video, I will be posting the gaming review, in-game review and quality of this headset. So stay tuned for that. So let's open it. Is compatible with Xbox, PlayStation, PSC. It comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. So this is the front package. So let's open it. There is nothing else in the box. Yeah, it's kind of hard cardboard. We'll open this up. How to open this thing? Oh, there is nothing else, just a splitter cables here. So you have to take this out. If you are going for the PC options, you can have the splitter cables, so you will have the separate controller for the audio and hearing. So we'll just put it aside. So this is a Logitech G335 headset. It's a new one. I bought this on Amazon sale. So see, this is the seal. As you can see, it's not broken, so it's new, completely new. I'll try to open. I'll tear this it. It comes with packing, decent amount of packaging as well. Here you have the wires. It's protected with this papers and everything, so no problem. Just a second. We'll try to see what's inside here. Oh, we'll get a Logitech sticker, and this is the color. So if you want the whole series, you can buy it from there. Logitech. See, this is the G335 headset. The cable is not braided, just a plastic cable, not plastic. It's quality material itself, no problem in that. See, Logitech is a nice company, as you can know, if you know. So this is the mouthpiece. As you can see, you will see a click sound. This is the mute and unmute button. I don't know how practical it will be. This is the memory foam, which will support your head. I never tried headset before because I will get sweaty around the ears, so I will try with this one for the first time. So this head strap is adjustable, so you can adjust according to your head size. You can decrease and increase, and the height adjustment is like this. It's behind the hinge here, so it's not visible outside, but it's there. This is the height adjustable. It have enough 1 meter something wire, something is there. Enough audio jack. This is the audio jack that comes with it. If you want to plug this in the PC, if you are playing in the PC, you can completely go for this. If you are a hardcore streamer or player like that, you have the mic separately, right? So you will have to put the audio hearing only, so no problem in there. You can just simply remove it. You can directly plug this into the computer anywhere itself if you are not using separate microphone. Just open this. As you can, at the end of the video, I'll be posting one gaming review with this thing, gaming in-game quality and noise cancellation. And they are telling this has a decent amount of noise cancellation as well. Yeah, it has enough length for you, so nothing to worry. So let's get into the game. Yeah. So that's the review of my Logitech Noob headset G335. I hope you guys liked it. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and more videos coming soon. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.